Your Maytag Centennial washer's failure to spin or drain usually stems from a few key issues: a clogged drain pump, a faulty lid lock mechanism, or control board problems. We'll troubleshoot each, focusing on quick fixes and when to call a pro. First, a clogged drain pump from lint, coins, or debris prevents water expulsion. Second, a faulty lid lock mechanism is a safety feature that prevents spinning if the door isn't securely closed. Third, control board problems where the board manages cycles and may need a reset or replacement. The drain pump removes water from the washer during the spin cycle. If your Maytag Centennial won't drain, the pump is likely clogged. First, unplug the washer for safety to avoid electrical shock. Locate the pump, usually behind an access panel at the bottom of the washer. Check for obstructions like lint, coins, or small clothing items. Remove any debris you find from the pump area. Test the pump by running a cycle. If it still won't drain, proceed to electrical testing. If cleaning doesn't work, use a multimeter to check for 120-volt AC power and continuity on the pump. If the pump is faulty, replacement costs around $50. The lid lock is a safety feature that prevents the washer from spinning if the door isn't securely closed. It uses a solenoid mechanism to engage the lock. If the lid lock is faulty, you'll often see error codes like DL or LD on the washer's display. First, try a simple reset by unplugging the washer for 5 to 10 minutes. This clears transient errors and may resolve the issue. If the reset doesn't work, the solenoid in the lid lock mechanism might be stuck or faulty. Inspect the lock for physical damage, loose connections, or debris that could prevent proper operation. If inspection reveals damage, replacing the lid lock assembly is a straightforward DIY repair. Always verify you have the exact replacement part compatible with your Maytag Centennial model to ensure proper fit and function. The control board manages the wash cycles. A power surge or glitch can cause it to malfunction. Try a hard reset. Unplug the washer for at least 1 minute. This clears transient errors. If the problem persists, the control board itself might be failing. Replacement is more involved, costing $100 to $200 for the part. Check if your model is part of any recalls, batch 2023-2025, as faulty control boards have been reported. Many spin-drain issues in your Maytag Centennial washer are fixable with DIY repairs, especially common problems like clogs and lid lock failures. Statistics show that 80% of these issues can be resolved without full replacement. However, complex issues involving the control board or electrical components require professional expertise to avoid safety risks and ensure proper repair. Be aware that DIY repairs can void your warranty, so always check the terms before starting any work. Professional repair visits typically cost $150 to $300. When deciding between DIY and professional help, consider the cost of parts, your skill level, and the potential risks involved. Always unplug the washer before any inspection or repair. Ensure there are no water leaks around the appliance. When testing electrical components, avoid live voltage testing if you're not comfortable. Use appropriate tools like screwdrivers, multimeters, and pliers. Wearing gloves is also recommended to protect your hands. Regular maintenance can significantly extend the life of your Maytag Centennial washer and prevent common problems like clogs and drainage issues. Clean the lint filter after every load. This trap collects lint and small debris that could otherwise clog the drain pump. Simply remove the filter, rinse it under running water, and replace it securely. Periodically inspect the inlet and drain hoses for kinks, twists, or damage. Kinked hoses can restrict water flow and cause pressure issues. Straighten any bends and replace damaged hoses immediately to prevent leaks or poor performance. Run a washer cleaner cycle using white vinegar or a commercial washer cleaner every few months. This removes soap residue, mineral deposits, and odors that can build up in the drum and hoses, preventing clogs and maintaining efficiency. Following these preventive maintenance tips regularly can help avoid costly repairs and extend the lifespan of your Maytag Centennial washer by preventing clogs and other issues. Future trends in washer technology focus on AI-integrated diagnostics that predict failures before they happen. By 2030, these smart systems could reduce breakdowns by up to 30%, saving time and money. Maytag already provides connected models with app-based self-tests. Users can run diagnostics remotely, receive error codes like F7 for motor issues, and troubleshoot without professional help. Sustainability trends encourage repairing rather than replacing appliances to minimize e waste. Learning basic troubleshooting not only saves money, but also supports environmental goals in an era of rising DIY repairs. Older models like the Maytag Centennial can still benefit from improved maintenance and smart troubleshooting. Regular cleanings and understanding error codes help prevent issues and prolong the appliance's life.